Hello, I'm Sonia, and I'm going to present my first Capstone project, which is the data visualization project. And I'm going to explore the major social media stock prices for the years between 2012 and 2022 for these companies: Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Etsy, and Pinterest. I started by importing the required libraries. For the visualization purpose, I use Bouquet. I uploaded the data set, and here we can see the first 5 rows of the data set. We have 8 columns. Starting by date, we have symbol column, which shows the symbols of the companies, and then we have adjusted close price, high, low, open price, and finally the volume. Just to have an insight over our data set, I ran df.info. Here we see that we have 8,398 entries, and all the columns are full. We don't have any missing values, which is great. The only thing that we need to change is the data type of date columns, because we want to show the time series, so we need the exact date. We can't work with object. That's why I use pandas date time function to change the data type to date time. After analyzing the data set, I realized that the values of adjusted close columns and close column are the same. So I decided to drop one of them, and here I dropped the adjusted close column. Here we have the value count of our symbols. In order to analyze and explore our data set and to plot our time series, we needed to separate the data sets based on different companies, different stocks. So I used group by function based on symbol, and the result was a dictionary. So just to extract the list of the symbols, I used the keys of the dictionary. And here we have our charts. For each stock, for each company, where we needed 2 different charts. The first one is price chart, and the second one is volume chart. Let's see what we have here. Okay, the first company is Etsy. Here we have price chart of Etsy stock. Let me just hide these 2 prices. As you can see here, we have 3 kind of price lines here. We have a high price, low price, and close price. And just to be focused on our line chart, I just chose the close price. From 2015 up to here, which is the highest price, and is November 2021, we had a beautiful uptrend, but after November 2021 we had a drop. Here we had some minor reversal, but the main reversal was after 2021, end of 2021. The second chart is a bar chart for volume, Etsy volume, and it's exactly related to our price chart and shows the volume range during this time range. The next chart is for Facebook. Again, I hide these 2 prices, and as we can see, starting from 2012, it had been going up constantly up to August 2021 or September 2021, and then we had a downtrend afterwards. Here we have the volume. It is clear that after 2015 we had a decrease in volume range. Next one is Pinterest. For Pinterest, we can say that from the starting point, the starting year, we had a range market up to here, which is August 2020, and after that we had an uptrend, and again afterwards we have a downtrend. The volume chart, we have the chart for Snapchat, which is clear that we had a consolidation part here and then uptrend and a drop. And the last price chart is for Twitter. If we consider the whole time range, we can say that we have a range market. It went up and then it came down. Again, it went up and then down. But it's the fixed range. We can say it's a range market. But if we just focus on this part, from the starting point to 2016, we can somehow say that it's a downtrend. And again, from here to this point, which is March 2021, we can say that it was an uptrend, again downtrend. But on the whole, we can say that it's a range market. For the next part, we want to compare the growth percentage of these stock prices. We compare the current price with the first price, with the starting price for the first date that we have in our data set. So let's see the chart. This is our time series line chart. We can choose our chart. We can choose our symbols through this multiple select widget. If we just focus on one of these stocks, for example, the Facebook, we can say that from this point, Facebook had been going up, and let's see how many percentage it went up. It's almost 900% growth, which shows that the price at highest point is 9 times more than the price at the lowest point. We can have multiple lines here. This is for Pinterest, and then we can have Twitter, Etsy, all in just one figure. Okay, thank you. This was my first Capstone project.